Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the garden today and I'm going to do some autumn jobs. And it's really warm still. Still got some lovely flowers out in the garden, but it's time to get a bit of a head start on the garden and do some autumn jobs. So let me show you what jobs we can do during the autumn. So October is one of the last times we can mow the lawn and keep the blades up high, keep it long, and we'll be okay. We're raking up all the grass trimmings so that can go into the compost bin. So all the grass cuttings being collected and will go in the compost bin. Nice bit of green will heat up the compost bin, and that'll be great. So give the edges a trim. So my next job is collecting up all the leaves and any weeds. And all this can go into the compost bin. There we go. If there's an area in the back of your garden, you can pile up some of the leaves, and that'd be good for any animals or any insects that want to have a hut in the leaves. And not forgetting to add the leaves to your compost bin. So the next job is to clean all the bird feeders and any bird boxes, and this will save any diseases and any birds getting ill. Save any vegetables, any seeds such as runner beans, and then we can disregard the rest of the plant. Store away the canes, harvest the last of our beans. Store away the canes, So autumn is a great time to collect up all these leaves, especially from paths and from your grass lawns, and these can be made into a leaf mould, which is pure gold for free. Check out a video of how to make leaf mould. For free. Remove any unwanted summer flowers and any weeds along the way. So from September to December is a great time to add some bulbs. We've got some daffodils. You can also do your tulips and your crocuses. We're just putting them in. And even add the daffodils to your pots or containers. Too squishy, that one. And you've got a good display in the spring. So autumn is also a good time to sort out any broken shed roofs, panels, even clean the greenhouse. Empty that out, give it a tidy. So there we go, there's a few jobs in the garden to be getting on with. In just a couple of hours, pottering around makes you feel so much better, makes the garden look so much tidier, gives you a good peace of mind. So let me know in the comments, what jobs have you been doing around the garden, and have you been tidying up for autumn? And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. So really chuffed now, better tidy away all my junk. Cheers!